Hello, I'm Gary Bennett. Today I'd like to share with you why interoperability is important for cities and communities. Haringey has embarked on a connected and smart city journey, utilising its network of over 18,000 luminaires and street signs. With assets from Schréder and other manufacturers, the challenge was to create a seamless way in which communication, data share, enriched visibility from multiple connected endpoints could support the immediate and of course the longer term smart city objectives for Haringey. Crucial to Haringey's strategy was being able to demonstrate this and the interoperable link between physical things and the digital layer. And this is where Schreder EXEDRA offered the perfect digital solution. Harnessing the power of Talk's open protocol to establish true interoperability among citywide Schréder and third-party controllers and assets, capturing comprehensive and valuable insights, we openly supported integration with third-party maintenance and energy reporting software. The result, Haringey created through Schreder EXEDRA an interoperable digital foundation, aligning technologies, enabling data sharing and analysis to be a key tool within the Haringey impressive carbon reduction results of 69%.